everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to do my plan with me in my personal planner. So this is my business slash YouTube planner, and we are going to be planning the week of January 22nd through 28th. So I'm just going to go ahead and take those pages out. So this is the last week of January. How about that? So I have this cute kit from Pookie Bear Cuties. Thought I'd use this one. It is still snowy and yucky outside, so I thought that was appropriate with the little snowman, and I like that it is pastel. I know I did a Baby It's Cold Outside week last week, or this week, and I'm doing another next week, but baby, it is cold outside. So I'm just going to start by putting some washi down the middle. On both pages. And that's probably all the washi that I'm going to use for this particular one. And I am going to be home this week because today is actually my surgery day. And if you guys are unfamiliar with what I'm doing, I have a whole channel dedicated to weight loss, which is what my surgery is for, called Transforming Tammy, and the link is below. If you guys are interested in checking that out, please feel free. And I have surgery today, which is January 19th of 2018, and I am going to be leaving here around 11 o'clock-ish to go, but it is about 5 in the morning, so I thought that I would go ahead and get this done and get these uploaded, even though I don't have a lot going on this week. And even though my head is probably mostly elsewhere. I don't think there's a ton of planning going on, for sure. But this kind of helps keep me occupied while I'm waiting for the time to pass. I got up early, as usual, and yeah. I normally have a way about this, but I'm just kind of putting these haphazardly anywhere, just because I know that this is going to be kind of a strange week. I am most likely not going to be getting a ton of stuff done. We'll see. Instagram. I do need to post on Instagram. I haven't done that for a while. And this says e-orders. I'm going to put that down just so that I can place some orders. Maybe I'll put that on Tuesday. Maybe I'll feel like doing the $2 Tuesday. And there's a Happy Meal one. I'm going to put that down because I need to remember to call Hewlett-Packard sometime this week, because I had ordered their monthly subscription service of ink, and I haven't gotten it yet. And I ordered it on the 9th. And I actually tried to call them, and they told me that they would call me back later that day, and they never did. And it's just time has gotten away from me, and I haven't taken the opportunity to call them back. So I need to do that. It's frustrating that you have to keep on top of all that stuff. but that's what you gotta do. So I know that I will be coming home from the hospital on Sunday. Well, I should be. So I'm gonna put comments up here because I will need to catch up with comments for sure. And I'm gonna put comments here. And then I'm going to put that I need to do video what I'm eating. And then I'm going to put update videos. And I don't know if I'll get around to any card making, but I'd really like to. And I'm going to put Stampin' Up here too. And I'm just going to put create. And that's probably all that I'm going to hold myself to for next week. I do need to place a Stampin' Up order, and I want to do some videos of how I'm doing for my other channel, which you guys can watch for sure if you want. And I'd like to create something, and I want to keep up with comments. So pretty much if I do that, I'm golden. I have videos scheduled, so you guys shouldn't miss me. And yeah, hopefully I'll be back on track and ready to do some more filming soon. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.